Hi, I'm Katie.
And I'm Lacey.
And we're part of the education team here at Sloan Longway. Normally this is a busy part for us with field trips, but with schools closed, we're really missing our kids. So we thought, what better way to interact with our kids than sharing a Sloan Longway daily dose. So over the next few weeks, make sure you stop by our Facebook page to see different activities that you can do with your kids at home. Everything that you need is something that you can find around the house. Today we're going to talk about germs. Lacey, would you like to tell them what we're doing?
Yes, so for our activity today, can you lie?
Yes?
If you have to cough or sneeze, can you use your elbow, please?
I'll keep that in mind.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, now that I've washed all the nasty germs off my hands and cleaned the table, let's get to the experiment we were talking about. As Katie mentioned, you can use everything from home to complete this experiment about preventing the spread of germs. So we have a bowl, water, pepper, and Dawn dish soap. So all you're gonna do is first is just pour water into your bowl. And then we're gonna add pepper. We don't wanna add too much pepper though, so it might not turn out right. So just add a little bit of pepper. And the pepper is gonna represent the germs that are in the water. So my friend Blank, could you just put your finger in there? See what happens? What got on all over your finger?
Germs?
Yeah, let's put it in there again. Maybe mix it around a little bit. Okay, what did you get on your finger that time?
Germs.
Still more germs, okay? So now it's gonna show the importance of washing your hands with soap. With your clean finger, go ahead and dip it in the soap. And then could you touch our germs? What happened when you touched the germs?
It went to the side.
The germs moved away from the side because you had what on your finger?
Soap.
Soap. So that teaches us that it's very important when you wash your hands to also make sure you use soap. Okay? So, Blake, are you ready to wash all those germs off your hands with soap? Okay. Thanks for watching our experiment today. Come to our Facebook page every day for the SL_daily dose to see what our next at-home experiment could be. Thanks for watching.